Well, my prayers have been answered. I should have recorded that. First try, got it's one of these. It's an extractor kit like this. So it was rounded off. Those are full of grooves that lock onto the head of your bolt. First try, grabbed right on there. Put a little cheater bar here on my socket, or on my my socket wrench. And just did that nice, sweet creaking sound that you hear when the damn thing finally breaks loose. So that's one down. The other one up there, I mean, I didn't even put any heat on it. I haven't been under here for a while, so it's definitely as cold as it's gonna get. Maybe the heat helped expand a little bit and then contract. We'll see just how fun it is to get that one up there out. But yeah, definitely. So that little number just bit right onto the top. Put a socket on there, and I mean, I put a decent amount of torque on here. Out she comes. Look at all that nice corrosion falling out of there. Yeah, it didn't break anything, didn't strip anything, it didn't twist off for me. That's so nice. But so, yep, one down. That went much easier than I was expecting. I don't even know if I'm going to try to put the 1/2 inch on there. I might just put this thing on right away up top and just crank that bitch off. So, just don't want it to snap the damn bolt, because then my happiness is going to disappear real fast. But I'll get back to you.